So these are the OEM side markers purchased from Suncoast Auto. They're about 65 US, I think. The only thing that sucks about buying from Canada is that shipping itself is another like 50 bucks. But they are legit Porsche OEM parts. I believe it's cheaper than getting them from the dealership, but with the shipping, probably not. However, I think they're about 50 each at Porsche, so works out to about the same. So the goal for this is obviously to get rid of these ugliest orange side marker lights that are only put on the US and Canadian models of 911s and all European cars in North America because of our silly transport safety laws, as if the Germans and the EU care less about safety. Anyway, this simple mod will make your car look a million times better for about 60 bucks US and 140 Canadian once it's all shipped. Yeah, super fair. So I got mine from suncoastparts.com, which are OEM Porsche parts and accessories, super easy to order. Select your model, the generation, so 997 for me, go to light section, and then there are the clear side markers. If you're ordering from the US, you can get these for 65 bucks all in if you pick the cheapest option. If you're ordering from Canada, lights are still obviously 50 bucks, but shipping is another $66.33 US, which is more than the lights themselves. So you may be better off just straight up ordering them from the Porsche dealership. Also, I'd stay away from any aftermarket versions of these. OEM always looks better. It's the way the car's supposed to look, plus they're not even cheaper. Look, these are $294.26. Some of these dirt cheap ones here on Etsy and eBay for like 42 and 30 bucks. They're just gonna be garbage. Don't get them. To install these, you don't need any tools other than your hands. And if you like, you can get a small flathead screwdriver. It makes popping out the light a little bit easier if you're having trouble like I did on the right side. But if you don't have one handy, you'll be fine. So basic, straightforward instructions to do this super quickly. Number one, push the side marker back towards the tire or wheel to create a little gap to get your fingers in there, or a little flathead. It should just pop out super easily without any resistance. You don't want to have a loud pop like some of the other videos show, because that way you could break some of the plastic and it won't fit back in as snugly. Number two, pull it out. It should come out easily. Number three, pull off the metal clip. These German clips are super annoying, so just be careful and be careful that you don't lose it. Number four, remove the bulb. Change the bulb provided in the new side marker set. Number five, reconnect the cables and the clip. Make sure to put that little rubber housing back on. I'm sure it's important for something. And number six, pop it back in with the front end first, facing the front of the car first. It should just pop right back in nicely, just like it shows here. Correct way seems to be that you push this back towards the tire so you can get your fingers underneath in here. And then yes. Ooh, nice. Good stretch. Then you get this clip off, which is called, these fun German clips are just the best. See, it's just a little bit easier to pry up with very carefully with a screwdriver and get your fingers in there, and then it just pops out ever so nicely. Not with that hard pop like in those other videos. So then you just twist this piece here to the left, that pops out. Yeah, remember to put this, make sure that stays on, because that's probably important for something. Then you gotta take this bulb out, push that down, pop these clips out. Here, like, just take the whole. Plug in the new piece in.
That look like it's in?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, much nicer. Pop right in there, okay? Yes. Much better.
Wow, just completely
Much better.
makes it look so much
Yeah.
better immediately. There you have it, the number one mod you should be doing for every Porsche model with ugly amber side markers. Amber is good, but not in this situation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and come back for more.